Hi everyone, welcome to DataScene. Today I will show you a super clean way to split a cell diagonally and create double headers. First of all, we need to type the headers. The header will be on the top right side, should be written first. So my first header will be the year, so that's why I type year. And after that, I will type the region, but there is an important trick. The second header should be on the new line within the same cell. So that's why I press Option and Return button because I'm using the Mac. And you can also press Alt and Enter if you are using Windows. And now I'm typing the region and this side is okay. And now we need to also format this. I will move the year on the top right side. For this, I click here and then using the spacebar to push it on the right side. So they are ready now. The next step is the formatting the cell. I click the Command plus one button. First of all, I click here and then I click the Command and one together. It also will be the Control plus one if you are using Windows. And then I click the border section here. And after that, on the bottom, you will see the diagonally inline style here, exactly here, and I click here. When you click OK, and you will see the result. As the cell is perfectly splitted with two distinct headers, and you can slightly adjust the row height or column width to make it look better. If you found this Excel trick helpful, make sure you hit the like button, save this video for later, and follow for more daily tips. See you in next video.